light down it, and then we got t-shirts at the bottom that said, "I survived the world's most dangerous road, Bolivia," and I refused to put my t-shirt on because we still had to bus back up it. And I just didn't want to wear the t-shirt just because we're outside, or they'd have given you coffee cups.
Right.
Which is, I don't know, I mean, it's their garden. Where are you going to take them?
Okay. I'm coming along. I'm right here.
Oh. Yeah. It is pretty good as a lion, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the lion. So the tail is to the right.
Yeah. So its head is facing up the hill.
Okay. So we walk up there. There we go up. Did you guys ever walk up it?
No.
Yes, we did.
Uh-huh.
Where I accused Granny of trying to kill me.
Oh yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
We were scrambling up this hill.
Yeah.
She was charging up it, taking a lead.
Uh-huh.
And I was really small. And I slipped on some rubble. And I said, "You're killing me. Don't make me go any further."
Oh, have you? Yeah.
Do you have some water?
We tried standing on your toes like that. You know, like bending them the other way.
That doesn't feel like it would help. I don't know.
I get the same, don't I, Wayne?
Yeah.
I suddenly have to jump out of bed.
Yeah.
Sometimes I've had to pack the cow and get
Yeah,
the cow.
if I get cramps, you know, so I just demand of things. Push my leg, push your big toe, and it just goes up, and you have no control over it.
And then
Available for us. They're brilliant at the hotel though, aren't they?
Yeah, he seems pretty stoked.
I think this is the big hill of the island. You go, yay!
It's nice to have a little bit of resistance.
Sign, I'll catch. Kirsty, are you comfortable? Or do you want the saddle up? Yeah, because you look quite. Next stop? Yeah, yeah.
That was unexpected. It didn't sound like a bus.
There's another one behind us.
Is it a bus?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a bit casual.
Okay.
A couple of big buses.
Show them how to do the deed. I'm just going to find mine.
What is it?
It's the wishing well. You gotta. We'll show you what to do.
surely there's got to be something that looks a bit cleaner.
Oh no, we
That's
didn't get
it.
I'm worried that our guests will be underwhelmed.
It's quite likely.
Look at this.
It's tradition.
Look at it, Kirsty.
Oh, that's it. Right, we've got to go find most.
I'm sure
Okay.
it used to be a bit more of a gusher than that.
First thing, you've got to find your wishing stone. So choose a wishing stone.
Oh, you thought.
And
Are you allowed to share your wishes?
oh look, people have
No.
put coins in.
Have
So
they?
you don't do that. What you do is you find a little crevice and then you make a wish. Oh, you drink from it. Ugh.
Huh?
Yeah, you have to
Really?
drink from it. Okay, I'm going to put mine in here.
Yeah, but it was more gushy than that, so it was much easier to get.
And I'm going to...
So what is
Yeah.
it? A spring?
I'm just making
Yes,
a wish
it's
now.
just
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, I'm sorry.
It's all right. Yeah. So far.
Okay.
Rob, are you drinking that water?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
Okay, make it worth it, man.
Hang on. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, well, just sort of bend down a bit more towards us.
I've done it.
Oh, I know, but okay, yeah, Declan got it. All right, that's it.
Right.
Right.
Well,
Okay, you guys.
Right, you send me.
Yeah.
Invite it to me.
Are you going to do it? Declan?
Do you think?
I'll do it, I guess.
You've
Franny
got- wait.
invented that this was a
Someone's
wishing
just
well?
offered you a wish. Someone's just
Do you
offered
think
you
she
a dream
made-
come true, and you're like, no.
Because all
Can
my
you take the water from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you've got to do the stone.
Oh no, it's not the same.
No, you have to do it from
I'm not
there.
doing
And you've got to
I'll
put
put
the
a shell.
stone first.
Oh, I
Choose
thought it
nice
was a
stone.
shell.
No, stone. No, you're doing it wrong.
It'd be bad luck if you don't do it.
This one's nice. It's kind of clear and beautiful.
Okay, good.
Is your original stone still there?
Oh, do you
I
recognise
think
one?
Probably.
Welded.
The fact that
Let's see.
it's sort of like that, it's.
If you come behind me so
Oh,
I
yeah.
can do Wayne, and Rob, you might as well.
It does very much look like a wishing stone, doesn't it?
It's been done before.
Yeah.
Oh, I keep taking a photo of where you've put it, and
It
then
won't
I'm gonna take
stay.
another one.
I think my stone's too big.
No,
Here
it
we go.
isn't. You go anywhere.
There we go.
And drink the dysentery water.
Have you made the wish?
I wish for this to be a
It was Mackenzie's.
Your film.
Oh, do you want me to help you?
Ken, it's rolling.
Is it one? Okay.
They're so filled with wishes already. Oh, put mine in there. Oh, have to make a wish, eh?
Yes.
I didn't really get a wish formulated, but I didn't want to hold everybody up.
Yeah.
Stop the car, we got to go
Yes.
make a wish.
Yeah.
So I bet no one knows because it's not like there's a sign.
To have a car one day,
Oh, okay.
and I wanted to be able to buy as many sweets as I wanted whenever I wanted.
Which is kind of counts.
Yeah,
Certainly as many as you might want.
those are two that I remember.
Oh, Kirsty, let me look at
Did
your
you wish
phone.
to work?
Just going to grab a few close-ups.
Yep.
Just doing some close-ups. Drop one in reverse.
Do a bit more of a addition
Yeah, I think so.
Up on the left as being a tea room. Fairhaven. Do you remember it as a tea room?
No,
Oh.
I remember.
Well, I
people
do,
talking
but
about
Mum didn't remember it.
Well, I remember people talking about it as a tea room, but it never was.
Well, I think it was.
But I don't remember it being fun.
Oh.
Either that or it wasn't in the right place for when we wanted tea.
We'll meet you on the other side.
very many people going across.
No, 1913.
No, way out. 1844.
I was gonna
Wait.
So this is where we would traditionally stop to have our picnic
Ah.
if we were, certainly if we were walking round.
Really? So you'd walk around with who? Any adult supervision?
No.
Oh, sometimes Granny Betty would.
Uh-huh.
There's more again here.
Thank you.
HMS Shearwater memorial to two young seamen. So it wasn't the HMS Shearwater
Oh.
that went under. It's
But
their
they were seamen
memorial.
of the HMS Shearwater and
I
they'd
guess
gone
so,
off on
yeah.
a boat.
When they shouldn't have done.
Yeah.
And then they got this. They got a little Cleopatra's needle. So the Red Indian, the contest is always the first person to see him.
Hey?
Red Indian.
Where?
See, straight ahead on Robert's left.
Oh, I see.
It's the
perhaps.
Red Indian.
And did you walk over there usually?
No, we just looked at it.
Uh-huh.
That will say, did we walk over to it? But we didn't really. I think I looked at this on Google Maps and it is here. Yeah, it is. Not far
It
enough.
is. It was there.
Do you remember the rows of red benches?
Yes, yeah. There's a lovely picture of me sitting outside having ice cream.
I didn't check, but not everything's good. Oh, huge.
It's been absolutely fine.
Yeah. In Scotland they have double deckers as well.
That's great.
You'll be able to see the colour underneath, and then if there's a red light, then you'll see I feel happy and I've had a big coffee. I do feel happier. My whole change of mood is going to be very apparent.
Had the cheese to have a coffee in the bedroom.
That's
Just
not
realised
coffee.
everyone take a photo, someone could be.
What would you like?
Any remnants?
I think it must have been over there.
Could you see anything?
No remembrance. I think it might be over there.
one here.
This one.
Yeah.
Engineman John Kennedy, Royal Navy Patrol, killed off Tunisia 1943.
The country looks really close from here.
Yeah, it does. Hunterston looks close from here.
Maybe because you can't see the sea between. Gives the impression that it's further away.
And now we have the wind. Wind can just about push you all the way in.
Lovely. There's a helipad here now.
Electricity emissions thing here. We go to some church mission thing.
Not here, on the Penny Bay. What is the helipad? Installation.
To get a translator for that dialogue there. Whoops.
I'll let you go.
I can smell our hotel.
Right, that big red one there, right,
All right, let's all come in together, shall we? Maybe not.
Ja, als je dat is. Henry Kidney is
We shall back inside to give them back.
Yeah, I'll just stick that. Just yeah, for a couple of minutes. Just need to get back and sit on here.
What?
Over there for ages, and I just stopped doing that when I saw you coming back. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we stopped a lot, so what was that?
Well, no, the Garrison cafe has got loads of vegan things.
Yeah, should we go along there and have lunch? Because it's right
You're
there.
fine. I mean, I'll come with you.
I wouldn't mind something savoury. What about anyone else?
2 seconds.
I'll have something to drink.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
You cover your hoodie, or I'll cover my hoodie with it.
Oh, they're just there with Jesse's there sometimes. Look after her.
It is. The birds.
But the two that obviously
I
own
was
this
actually thinking
beach,
they probably didn't even, they'll
they're
never
like,
see that.
You get away, they're owls. Look, these two own this bit of beach, obviously. No other bird is allowed to land. This is my house.
Just goes around chirping.